If I had to start from zero today, no money, no audience, and no special skills, but I still wanted to make money using AI in the next 30 days, this is exactly what I would do. First, I would accept one important truth. AI itself doesn't make money. People make money by solving problems for other people, and AI simply makes that process faster and easier. So, instead of chasing complicated AI businesses, I would focus on simple services that businesses already need every single day. On day one, my main goal would be choosing one simple AI-powered service. I wouldn't try to learn everything because that wastes time. I would pick something easy that AI can already do well. For example, creating social media posts for businesses, writing product descriptions for online stores, designing simple marketing graphics, or turning long videos into short clips for TikTok and Instagram. These are services businesses are constantly paying for. Let's say I choose social media content creation for small businesses. The reason I'd choose this is simple. Millions of businesses struggle to stay active on social media. Restaurants, gyms, real estate agents, and online stores always need fresh posts, but most of them don't have the time or creativity to make them. Now, instead of learning complicated design skills, I would use AI tools to do most of the work. AI writing tools can generate captions and post ideas in seconds. Design tools can turn those ideas into professional-looking graphics in just a few clicks. What used to take a marketing agency hours can now be done in minutes. During the first 3 days, I would focus only on creating a small portfolio. I wouldn't wait for a client. Instead, I would pretend I already have one. For example, I might create 5 social media posts for a local coffee shop, a fitness trainer, or a clothing brand. These would be completely sample projects, but they would show exactly what kind of work I can deliver. The goal here is to make my work look real and professional. Once I have a few good examples, I suddenly look like someone who already does this professionally. This step is important because clients don't want promises, they want proof. After that, I would move to the most important step, which is finding clients. A lot of beginners think they need thousands of followers or a big website before they can start making money online, but that's not true. The fastest way to make money is simply reaching out to people who already need your service. So every day I would contact business owners directly. I could find them on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, or even Google Maps. Small local businesses are actually the best clients because many of them are not using AI yet, and they often struggle with online marketing. Instead of sending long, complicated messages, I would keep my message simple and friendly. Something like introducing myself, showing one example of the content I created, and asking if they would like help managing their social media posts. Most people won't reply, and that's completely normal. But if I send 20 messages a day, eventually some people will respond. At the same time, I would also create simple service listings on freelance platforms, websites where businesses are already searching for help. Platforms like these are full of clients who need quick and affordable services. Since AI allows me to work faster, I could offer competitive prices and still make good profit. The first client might take a few days to appear, but once that first order arrives, the process becomes much easier. Instead of spending hours creating everything manually, I would use AI tools to generate ideas, write captions, and design graphics quickly. Then I would spend a few minutes improving and personalizing the content so it feels unique and human. This is where AI becomes powerful. It doesn't replace effort, but it multiplies productivity. What used to take half a day can now be completed in 15 minutes. That means I can serve more clients without feeling overwhelmed. Once the first client is satisfied, I would politely ask for a review or testimonial. Positive reviews are extremely powerful online. They build trust and make it much easier to attract future clients. During the second week, my main focus would be consistency. Every day I would continue reaching out to new businesses while completing the work for current clients. Even if only 2 or 3 clients hire me, that's already progress. If each client pays a small weekly fee for content creation, the income begins stacking quickly. By the third week, I would start improving my service. Instead of offering only basic posts, I might add short video content or simple marketing strategies. Short videos are incredibly popular right now, and many businesses want them but don't know how to create them. AI tools can easily convert long videos or scripts into short, engaging clips. Adding extra services increases value without increasing workload too much. Clients are often happy to pay more when they see that you are helping them grow their online presence. Another strategy I would use during this stage is packaging services together. Instead of selling one single post, I would offer a monthly content package. For example, 12 posts per month plus captions and basic graphics. Businesses prefer predictable monthly services, and this also creates stable income. By the fourth week, momentum starts building. At this point, I would already understand what clients want the most and which services are easiest to deliver using AI. Instead of experimenting with new ideas, I would focus on repeating what already works. The goal of the first 30 days is not becoming rich overnight. The goal is proving that money can be made. Once the first few clients appear and income begins coming in, scaling becomes much easier. From there, I could slowly increase prices, improve my portfolio, and possibly even specialize in a specific niche like restaurants, fitness coaches, or online stores. Specialization often leads to higher-paying clients because businesses prefer working with someone who understands their industry. The most important lesson in this entire process is speed. AI allows beginners to move faster than ever before. You no longer need years of experience to start offering useful services online. What matters more is taking action quickly and consistently. Many people spend months watching tutorials and researching ideas without ever starting. But the truth is, the market rewards people who test ideas in the real world. The sooner you start reaching out to potential clients, the sooner you learn what actually works. So if I had to start again from absolute zero today, this is the exact approach I would follow. Choose one simple AI-powered service, create a few sample projects, reach out to businesses every day, deliver high-quality work using AI tools, and slowly build trust and momentum. Within 30 days, it may not turn into a huge business yet, but it can absolutely become a real income stream. And once that first income appears, it proves something important. Making money with AI is not about technology alone. It's about using technology to create real value for real people.